Welcome, everyone. My name is Dr. Ife, and I'm excited to walk you through Module 3 of our Introduction to Cybersecurity course. This module focuses on practical controls that reduce risk while supporting productivity across personal and professional environments. The objective is to apply disciplined habits for device security, strong authentication, and informed data decisions so protection becomes routine. Maintain current patches, enable reputable endpoint protection, and enforce screen locks with biometrics or PIN. These fundamentals prevent the majority of threats. Treat home networks as part of the enterprise perimeter. Change default router credentials, use WPA2 or WPA3, and disable unused services to limit exposure. Treat all public hotspots as untrusted. Avoid banking or HR portals. Set the network profile to public and disable sharing. If you must connect, start a vetted VPN immediately to encrypt traffic end to end. If anything looks suspicious, disconnect and tether. Use long, unique passphrases for every account. Avoid names, dictionary words, and misspellings. Include spaces, numbers, and symbols when allowed, but prioritize length. Store credentials in a reputable password manager and enable multi factor authentication wherever possible. Prioritize length and uniqueness. Employ a password manager to eliminate reuse and ensure distinct credentials for high value accounts. Adopt long, memorable passphrases that resist brute force and guessing. Favor phrases that are unique to each service. Encryption transforms readable data into ciphertext, accessible only with the correct key, protecting confidentiality even if data is intercepted. Enable full disk encryption using tools such as BitLocker or FileVault, and safeguard recovery keys in a controlled location. Verify encryption status after deployment. Implement the 3-2-1 strategy: 3 copies, 2 media types, 1 offsite or cloud. Validate by performing periodic test restores. Use secure erase for active media and physical destruction for retired drives holding sensitive data. Confirm sanitization results before disposal. Review service terms for data collection, sharing, retention, and breach handling. Confirm export and deletion mechanisms in advance. Evaluate the data value exchange with free services. Align privacy settings with organizational policy and personal risk tolerance. Confirm the ability to download data. Restrict processing and close accounts cleanly. Lack of clarity indicates elevated risk. Enable MFA wherever available, preferring authenticator apps or hardware security keys. This control neutralizes most password only attacks. Use federated sign-in judiciously. Review requested scopes, revoke unused connections, and conduct periodic access audits. Private browsing limits local artifacts but does not provide anonymity. Use tracker controls, manage cookies, and periodically clear stored data. Harden endpoints, secure home networks, treat public Wi Fi as untrusted, and adopt long, unique passphrases managed centrally. Encrypt data at rest, backup with verification, sanitize media decisively, enable MFA, and govern OAuth permissions with routine reviews. This concludes the summary of Module 3, Introduction to Cybersecurity. Remember, cybersecurity isn't just about technology, it's about people like you making smart choices every day to create a safer digital world. If you'd like to keep learning or dive deeper into hands-on labs, visit us at menagos.com. You'll find courses, resources, and a community ready to help you grow. Thank you for joining me today. Stay curious, stay secure, and I'll see you in the next module.